Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can make DuckDuckGo your standard or default search engine on Microsoft Edge in 2026. So let us dive into this. Start by opening up Microsoft Edge on your device, and in the next step, click into these three dots and navigate to Settings. Here, navigate to Privacy and Search, and in that menu, click into the lowermost option, Search and Connected Experiences. From there, guys, what you want to do is click into the lowermost option, Address Bar and Search. And from this in menu, navigate to Search Engines, for example, or you may directly use the search engine here in the search bar, which is DuckDuckGo in this case here. And also if you click into Search Engine, select DuckDuckGo here by clicking to these three dots and by clicking into Edit here. Make sure that you confirm any of these, click into Save, and that's basically it. You may also add a new search engine if you like by clicking into this button. Alright guys, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.